Gotta get you off my mind, baby, yeah. Gotta get you off my mind, baby, yeah. Gotta get you off my mind, baby, yeah. Gotta get you off my mind, baby, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you guys are on. Yeah, you guys are all in. Okay, second round at this. We're actually gonna have to watch. I'm short already. I'm actually short CLVS now. Again. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, here you are. He's. Holy girls. Message me that on Twitter, please. I'm gonna find you. See who this girl is? Oh. Please send me that message on Twitter. I can't find Holly Girls on Twitter. Send us a message and I will go on a diet. Anyway, I got distracted. Let me show you. I'm in CLVS right now. For the fucking 10th time. Holy cows. Worthy. Right, sorry, we're going to be a bit delayed here because I'm going to do this. CLVS is coming down, which is good because I'm short. Only small. I've took $756 on CLVS so far. I'm up $605 on the day. Not a bad day. Sorry for wasting everyone's time. I just want to do this. Holly Galsworthy. Holly. Found, added. Okay, let's see who this is. Anyway, what's up? How's it going, guys? Let us just bring you on to Stocks of Trade. Show you how the day, the week, the month, and everything's going. Basically, the month isn't going too bad at all. I mean, look, CLVS, let's have a quick look at it quickly. It's fallen. I was short in the 620s, covering in the 560s in the morning crack. Added into this initial, this little green spike here, added into the push. Covering the 530s. Reshort into VWAP, covering reshort in the 530s. I'm up like a little bit, but overall took $750 on CRVS. The rationale and theory behind this is that it failed the sevens on 100 million volume. So it's going to need a hell of a lot of volume, much more than it's doing today. It's going to need a hell of a lot of volume to break through that 7 level. And we already saw pre-market, it just didn't have that volume. It wasn't even getting near the 7s. It was touching the 630s. It started breaking down before it even got near the 7s, which for me is just, it's a fail and everyone's going to get out. So I've got a lot of data and statistics on this pattern, this kind of bag holder short, or this volume resistance short. I've got 80% of these fail that I've tracked over 200 of. And based on data, this should, I've got an estimate of this coming down to roughly around the 480s, 490s. So I am pushing into the short in the 520s. I think we should see this 490s, 480s, even if it's in the afternoon. I think even if it's just a case of like some descending triangle, do you know what I mean? Something like that. we should see it come down. Other than that, cost was like an easy bag holder short. But I'm all right. I'm not doing great. I'm up. Basically in October 875 on the month. In terms of trade zero, I got in late, so I didn't have a chance to even open it up. So I'm still up. I've turned on my small account 1.8k into nearly 3, so I've nearly doubled it. In terms of 2020, I'm up 42 grand. Nearly made back this September red month to go back to all-time highs, which is quite good. If you want to suggest some tickers, please do. But I mean, costs is some sort of oil and gas sector is going quite wrong these days. It's dropping, so this gap up just got 8 into. I took the VWAP short down for a small win, not much. JKS is a short nightmare. Green day after green day after green day. I actually thought it might be going red, so I took a little short on the green red area, got squeezed out, took like a $40 loss. And LAC was another one that I was kind of interested in because it's a bit overextended. CLVS coming down now. That should be another $50. I just need to put an order in. We'll go for 493, so I don't miss that. LAC's like a hot sector within lithium, but it's really overextended. But somehow it just seems to be holding it together. So whether it holds together for another green day, or what we'll more likely will see is you might get like a first red day in the 1580s or something tomorrow. And whether it goes red, green, or it holds, who knows? But you should hopefully get a first red day on this. I mean, it's almost tempted to take a starter in it for the first red day to get a cushion. But I might. It's difficult because it's been just gapping and holding and gapping and going. I'll probably try and take this first red day tomorrow. Hang on, we'll go. I mean, that's it. Like, there's nothing else to trade, right? GRNQ was the top percent gainer. Guys, if you've got any quick ticker questions, let us know and I'll answer them because I'm not really too busy today and it's been an all right day. GRNQ is like obviously shorter all the way down here on these days, and then it's just squeezed up. So I couldn't really guess where this will go because I think shorts are upside down in it, so I don't know how to predict it. EIDX is some sort of weird 52s breakout. It looks like a biotech. Keeps going higher. This looks like a bit of a real company. It's certainly trading like a real company, so it's not my kind of jam. BBXIA. Fucking IPO, not interested. ANLV. History of gapping and failing. It's since had its reversal. These normally come down after, like, because obviously you'll get the first gap day, and then for whatever reason, shorts have got squeezed up and then really squeezed up into the 15s. It's a biotech, so I can't see this holding, but I should have been out from the 16s. I can't really chase it down to the 13s. And in retrospect, 2020, I regret missing this because it was a bit of a gimme short. We saw the same thing on JNSA, was it? Fuck, what is it? I wish I could remember, but how am I going to find it? Hang on. Can I find it? Screenshots. Not going to find it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not going to find it. No, I'm not going to find it without wasting everyone's time. But GNSA or GNSI? GNSI. That's it. Nah. But there's a similar pattern and it came down as well, so I messed this one up. But anyway, there's not really much else that I'm really looking at. But I mean, the money's made, the day's done. Wouldn't mind picking an extra $50 on CRSV just to like nail the bottom and get in, like milk it for what I can, you know what I mean? CLVS, sorry. I'm such a fucking retard. Clearly a fat retard as well. There you go. Expecting something like the 485s on this, so we're getting the final leg of the breakdown. It's nearly falling apart. I'd like to think we'll get this crack before the afternoon, but either way, I'll just put a stop in and walk out. Clint, what's up, brother? Nice to see you back. Hope you're learning. Hope you're doing better. I want to see you profitable very, very soon. Sean, what's up? Brandy, what's up? I need to respond to you. Lucas, I'll read, mate. Jobless Pilot, good to see you back. Holly Dolls, thank you for that comment. Yeah, Cost was a trash oil and gas stock. Mentioned it before. Actually had Cost short from VWAP. I took this VWAP rejection from the 160s, covered in the 130s. Just saying. Hey, dude, good to finally catch the live stream. Nice to see you on it, brother. Don't you use breaking news tool? I haven't really, because I just react to top percent gainers. Like breaking news, it seems a bit more long focused. Day 18, what's up, Mike? Thank you for commenting 100 times on every video. You finally made it on of the live streams. Legend. I have no idea what's going on, but if I can make money, I'm down. Let me know what to do. Oh no, how did you follow us? They say a big toolbox is needed for a big set of tools. Love it. Damn, how do I make money? Just learn how to stock trade. Good stuff on here on volume. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing with CLVS, right? It's dots. To break this level, it needs to trade more than the 96 million, and it just didn't. So that's where WWR, I looked at earlier. WWR is, again, it's the same one. WWR gapped and then squeezed. It's same as ENLV, was it? It's hard to know where to be short here, but somewhere in the afternoon, I don't mind a swing short, but the borrows are expensive. WWR is a first red day. If you can get it anywhere in the 450s, it's a first red day short off red green wherever it closes today. But WWR and was it ENLV are both potential first red day shorts tomorrow. Let's find out which one it is again. Yeah, ENLV and WWR. I'm actually going to put them on a list right now. ENLV, WWR. They're very good potential first red day shorts for me tomorrow. EIDX buyout. Is it? Yeah, but it's not moving very well. A double is really good. I don't know what that means, but thank you for writing on me videos. I use TradeZero and Speed Trader. TradeZero is my small account at 1.8 to 3K, but it's very, very good for like new traders. It's very, very good for the borrowers. I could not get located for AL and V. Yeah, I don't think I could either. Same. You are kicking ass and taking names. Thank you, Mike. I don't know why I'm still here. Do you focus on specific sectors? Biotech absolutely are a good shorts. But I'll short anything. I just won't short the hot sector. Do you know what I mean? That's the main way. Just not that, like, so say like gas is an easy short, but lithium and battery is not a good short, where biotech is generally always a good short. Stuff like that in terms of sectors. Were you in CRVS? Yeah, I was. I can probably... I'll show you the trades. Hang on. I will show you the trades. So CRVS. Hope you guys can see this okay. So the first entry was just here in the 830s at 620. Added at 6 on the confirmation because it was showing weak volume and weak pre-market price action that it wasn't going to break the key resistance level of around 7. When it failed to open strong, added. So I'm adding to a winner. That's basically how I short. Add to winners. It's the safest way. So short the 620, short the 6, short the 580s, short the 560s and 540s. I've got a price target between 480 and 520. So that I'll take 540, just take a little bit off because it's down $1 a share. Then I take some more off at 510 because that's my price target. Then I'm add 520s, 530s, 540s, 550s. Cover at 512 when it looks like it's not going to come down. It's like it's holding and I think like it's going to squeeze shorts back up. Then I'm adding 520s, 540s, 560s for about a 540 average, and then covering back down. And then I've reshorted again in the 530s. That's the most recent one. And I'm just waiting for a snap on that one. So that's me trade on CRVS. Nice to be done early. Yeah, like I say, I'm still in CRVS. I'll probably do a meditation to keep me happiness and no anxiety levels good. So I'll probably do a meditation. But yeah, like I say, I'm waiting for CRVS to crack, but I'm not worried. I can put a stop and walk. I'll come back in the afternoon because I might take that if I can ANLV and WWR, whatever it is. I might take them earliest first red days, but I'm a bit scared. I'll probably just wait. Sorry if yes. Do you train people? Yeah, I've done lessons. I sell like data and guides and Excels to help people. Gold, XAUSD. Yeah, I saw they were up, but I don't know why. Yes, basically, yeah. But biotech's my favorite sector short. I am borderline profitable. I just need to get out of my own way. Yeah, trading's you versus you, brother. I hesitate and miss good entries. I'm getting better though. Thanks for all the teachings. I need to give you my phone number, Clint. I keep on meaning to do it. I'll do it straight after this. How did you predict 510s? Dude, I have like fucking... Like the data is private, if I'm being honest. Like I'll sell it at some point. But like I have fucking endless data where I can compare all the, say whatever the variables are, float, volume, percentage of pre-market, all that stuff, closing price. I can find the most likely pattern to this pattern. It'd work out the average. And that's basically how I do it. Just based, no, I have data history. CRVS is coming back up, like it's not coming down. I'll just add in short more though. What do you mean it traded like garbage, Bram? Why did it trade? No, dude, I took 750 on this. Did not trade like garbage for me. Why do you think it traded like garbage? It's on Profitly, mate. All my trades are on Profitly. I haven't updated it for a bit. I need to. Send you the screens. Okay. We're gonna have a chat if you want. If you can come on quickly. Hang on. Bram, I'll send you a chat link. If you want to come on, you can come on. I'm not doing anything. Bram, I've sent you an invite to your WhatsApp. If you want to come on, it's up to you. But we haven't had you on for a while, and everyone likes listening to you and hearing from you. Can show GRNQ tomorrow. This is going to be another fucking hour-long thing, this. I see a lot of these kind of first red days where gaps and craps here and then comes further down. Fuck off. Yes.
Oh wait, let me put off the stream. What's that?
It is the one and only Bram.
Yes, Bram Alam.
Bam, bam. Whoa, Black Betty. Bram alarm.
Oh, Blackberry, blah blah.
Bram alarm.
Oh man, I traded CRVS like garbage.
Um, I mean, what happened with you? Because I was hang on, let's bring it up. CRVS.
Let me pull up my charts.
I mean, we went through the data, right? This is the short and the high volume resistance with the 80% failure rate. You recognize it?
Yes.
Yeah, 100%. So you're like, this is a short and a high volume resistance. Do you still use the technique I showed you?
To be honest, no.
Oh, fuck you, brother. Fuck you. Dude, come on, I've made like nearly 50K. You've got to trust us.
Yeah, I know, but I got too suckered in on the small time frame on CRVS.
Okay, so talk us through your plan. Do you want to go through the daily first, or do you want to go through the intraday first?
Daily is okay.
Okay, well, here's the daily, right?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I
So
was
what?
looking at the previous gap up on high volume in July. So I
Yeah,
saw
yeah.
that 680 was a key resistance line,
Dude,
and
to be fair, have you seen this line, the 580s, of where it opened and failed? Did the same thing again.
yeah, the high of July 7th.
Yeah, it's quite interesting.
So yeah, I was thinking, well, a lot of people are stuck from that time frame, from that moment. So there's a high likelihood that today it can those people want to sell their position for a break even trade or loss. So that's
Yeah,
why this stock can have a higher failure rate. But to be honest, I completely forgot to keep that at the forefront of my mind. I mean,
but
I saw so many variables, VWAP, lines. I
but
get
hang on. So like, you know it's a short, you know that people are bagged technically, and in real life people are bagged, right?
mhm.
So you know it's a good short. So we're on pre-market. Let's go say here. It's what time's your first entry?
I'm a short at. Let me look it up exactly. Hang on. I was shorting my first entry at 10:02.
Okay, but so first of all, just to put it out there, the key resistance on 100 million is 690, right?
Mm-hmm.
It topped at 650, and it's less volume. It doesn't even get near the 690. It can't even get near the 690. It gets to 650. But okay, so you watch it wash.
Yeah.
1002 is your entry.
10:02. Yeah, I was shorting at 523, thinking that support at.
Yeah, I know. I know what you shorten the descending triangle kind of thing.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
thinking that support at 540-ish, 542-ish was gonna hold.
resistance. You mean?
Yeah, resistance. Sorry.
Yeah.
And then I
Uh,
added on confirmation, and then I got stopped out when it went above 542.
yeah. I think you've got to have wider risk on these, and like the main reason I lost money in last month, October, was because I tried to average into stocks between 9:30 and 9:45. Or like I tried to average into stocks and then they just squeezed us out because they had too much volume.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Because
But
you're
also,
thinking,
if
all
you
right,
look at CRVS, it tanks so much pre-market, so it has had to spike bigger.
which one?
On CRVS, it tanked from all the way from 650s to
Yeah, dude, like I
yeah.
think I just think as a rule, it's tanking now. I've got to cover at 493.
Ah,
But like you've got to think like stocks don't just go straight down. And no matter what, it did trade 10 million pre-market. So if it traded like 10, 12 million pre-market, it does have the potential to trade like 70, 80, 90 million if it gets going. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but even if it trades 40, 50 million, any stock that trades, like it will trade 50 million before the end of the day. Any stock that trades around 50 million, you've got to expect at least one shakeout, at least. So, do you know what I mean? Like,
That's why
so
it
when
went to. That's why it squeezed a bit towards
so you got
5.
but dude, like this move you got shook out on is what, 537 to 557? You got shook out on 3%, something like
No,
that.
on 10:01. I
Ah,
shorted at 522. So not a good entry.
yeah, but you've just got this double bottom and it's holding. You see, you've got a bottom here, then a bottom here.
Mm-hmm.
There's a double bottom here.
Yeah, I was too focused on my small time frame 1 minute chart.
I mean, it's not a terrible short, but like it's gone from 640 to 5.
Yeah, man. Go
I
on.
think I think you've got to I think you've just got to play smaller and have wider risk because you know that this is highly likely going to fail. So what's your risk level? You've got to be risking high of day or VWAP. Like you've got to risk one or the other.
I was risking 545.
But what's 545? It's just a random. It's not even a key level on the chart.
I was looking at 542 resistance line, so 545. A break of that would be my thesis invalidated.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you need wider risk, mate. For stuff
Mhm.
up like 50, 60% and shit, I think you need wider risk. To be fair, I nearly got stopped out here. I was nearly thinking, fuck, I'm done. In the 560s.
Yeah, I mean this was just a stupid trade. In hindsight, everything is clear, but this
Yeah,
sucked.
but I would just say like try and have wider risk off key levels, like on stuff that you know is going to fail or you're quite sure is going to fail, like CRVS. Once it started falling apart at the open and the volume never gets it, but like for stuff to squeeze properly, you need over 1 million a minute or 800,000 a minute. We're getting like average of 400, 500,000 a minute. Do you know what I mean? So it's not probably going to squeeze.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? So just pick key levels on the chart and risk them.
yeah,
But have some
true.
conviction in your thesis. Like the conviction on the thesis is like the daily trumps everything, right? So this should definitely fail. So for you, it's just having a bit of conviction and thinking what's a good risk point. So obviously, higher day is a good risk, VWAP's a good risk. Scaling accordingly. I don't know, dude. I don't want to preach to you. You don't listen to us anyway. You don't follow me advice anyway.
Oh, I do, but this trade was. Yeah, I mean, I just fucked up.
Do
To
you
be
feel like
fair,
you've learned from it though?
yeah,
But what was the fuck up though? That you just chased it down a bit.
yeah, I chased it down a bit because I thought, well, on the small time frame, I saw a lower high. Well, it needs to come down, needs to break right now, so I'm in. It's just a fuck up.
Aye, but what you need is the most important
Yeah,
thing is though, if it trades 40, 50 million, mate, you're gonna get there's a chance you can get chucked out. So just wait for the shakeout and short the shakeout, or wait for a key resistance level. I wouldn't be chasing descending triangles down on 50 million volume on the day. It's just too risky. You're
yeah,
gonna get
true.
chucked out. That's it.
Well, mate, I have to go, and
I
dinner is
no
ready.
worries.
Catch you later.
Have a good one. Bram's a nice person. One sec. Yeah, I need a message on Twitter. Already explained. Yeah, explained. Explained. That's cool. Every single stock on Trade Zero, like very, 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 very few don't have borrows. Like nearly every single one. That's why I recommend it to everyone. RS, let us just give you a link for Trade Zero. RS, if you use it, I'll give you some of the data that I use to show it to help you, but they have borrows for like everything. Is it still considered a bag holder if the candle with volume on the daily chart is red instead of green? Is it still considered? It's always considered a bag holder if the stock is lower than. No, like if say if this was a green candle and the stock's still here, people are still bagged here from this. So it doesn't matter if it's green or red, just the opening day candle has to be lower than the candle with all the volume previously in order to bag people. But I'm tempted to chase CRVS down, but that's just what Bram's done and he lost. But CRVS, like I say, should get another $50. It'll put us up 650 after all my fees. 493 is the cover. I've got ads at 542 to add more, but I'll just take that out now. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for 493. I've got 10 more cents. I'm tempted to wait just so it cracks in front of you guys, but it'll have to happen very quickly. Give it a few more seconds. And Brandy, I'll get back to you. I saw your snaps. I'll get back to you. I've just been, I was golfing from like 7 o'clock this morning to now. But that's a wrap. Peace, love, have a great day.